Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Maan-Dhan, PM-SYM, scheme. Prime Minister launched Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Maan-Dhan, PM-SYM, scheme in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. About the scheme. It is a central sector scheme open to unorganized workers, whose monthly income is Rs 15,000 or below and who have an Aadhaar number as well as savings bank account. It is a voluntary and contribution-based scheme under which the subscriber gets an assured minimum monthly pension of Rs 3,000 from the age of 60 years onwards. The minimum age for joining the scheme is 18 years and the maximum is 40 years. The contribution of a subscriber ranges from Rs 55 to Rs 200 depending on his entry age, which is 18 to 40. Under the scheme, the central government will also give a matching contribution towards the beneficiary's pension account. Further, it has a unique feature that in case of an exit, the subscriber would be returned his entire contribution. It will be implemented through the Common Service Center (CSC) across the country.